Let's make a flower together. First, insert a circle and resize it to identical values for both width and height. Then, remove the outline and duplicate the shape. Align both circles well and make sure that they overlap each other. Select both shapes and go to Shape Format. Under Merge Shapes, select Intersect in the drop-down. Center the shape on the slide and duplicate. Under Rotate, select Rotate by 90 degrees and place the second shape on the horizontal guiding line. Duplicate both of the shapes again to complete the cross shape. Make sure everything is well aligned on the slide. Then duplicate one of the shapes again and make it bigger. Go to Rotate and select more rotation options in the drop-down. In the appearing menu on the right side, type in a rotation of 45 degrees. Place the shape in the gap between two of the smaller shapes. Then go to Shape Fill and under Gradient, select the option More Gradients. In the menu on the right side, now select Gradient Fill. You can play around with the gradient options until you are satisfied. Then duplicate the shape 3 more times and place in the remaining gaps. Make sure that the lighter side of the gradient is always at the inside of the flower. This is easiest if you go clockwise and always rotate the shapes by 90 degrees. Next, select all 4 of the big shapes and send them to the back of the slide using the options in your upper right toolbar. Now select all the smaller shapes and give them a color to your liking. Then insert a circle and resize it to identical values for both width and height. Remove the outline and place it at the center of the flower. Again, give it a color to your liking. Now select all shapes, go to Shape Format and add a shadow for all. And there, you have your flower. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.